Most branches in the club organise a road trial during the year. This was South London's effort, which started and finished at the Three Frogs on the A3 London to Portsmouth Road on Sunday, May the 10th. Competitors were given a list of villages within an approximate 30-mile radius of Ripley and asked to answer a question about the village, which could only be answered by going there, or by coming to some agreement with a colleague, which of course was highly irregular. To make life a little more difficult, a travelling marshal travelling from A to B along the A3 at 20 miles an hour had also to be contacted at an exact time. Everyone enjoyed themselves, even those not mounted on machines.